Located in a suburban area of Da Nang, Vietnam, Q House is a compact residence designed to embrace the tropical climate of mid-Vietnam. Spanning over a 100-square-meter land, the house was meticulously crafted with the vision of a tropical oasis in mind. The residences with limited land, inadequate natural light and ventilation, the designer transformed the front driveway, which also serves as a parking area, into a nature-inspired entrance. With plants growing from the roof slats of a pergola over the driveway and a narrow plant bed running alongside it, the area is filled with hanging planters. Next to the designated parking spot, a small lawn extends from the house, accompanied by a block-paved section featuring an outdoor swing. The lawn is surrounded by small tropical plants and flowers, while larger plants stand tall by the fence. As you move into the house, you'll notice shelves mounted across the kitchen window, creating a home for indoor plants. At the front of the house, there's a white L-shaped kitchen that overlooks the driveway and garden. The white units contribute to a sense of openness and airiness. The dining room follows a minimalist design, with a custom-made banquette seat surrounding a structural support wall to save on floor space. On the opposite side, 3 modern dining chairs are placed. Indoor plants thrive throughout the tropical sitting room in built-in planters, borders, and freestanding pots. These plants and trees play an essential role in the house's design, bringing in natural energy and creating relaxing spaces despite the small room sizes. The homeowner's love for nature, plants, and fish. They have created an indoor deck that connects the sitting area to an indoor koi pond. Adjacent to the sitting room is a large shelving unit filled with books and music. The soothing sound of a small waterfall can be heard emanating from the koi pond. Tall speakers in the open-plan living space provide a clear sound experience. A light well above the staircase floods the fish pond with natural light, enhancing its beauty. The staircase, consisting of wooden treads atop white risers, leads to 2 bedrooms on the first floor and an additional ventilation open into the stairwell. The staircase features a stylish metal balustrade design that crisscrosses its sides, perfectly complementing the frames around the skylight. On the second floor, beautiful greenery cascades through the railings above the bedroom cross-ventilation windows. Thanks to the open-sided staircase design, fresh air circulates freely throughout the entire house while allowing an abundance of natural light to flood in. The bedroom windows also provide convenient access to the suspended concrete planter, allowing the homeowners to easily care for their plants. A harmonious connection to nature is achieved with the use of a green bed set. To create a cool and private atmosphere, Venetian blinds can be drawn down over the bedroom windows. The bedroom layout is made simple and efficient with the incorporation of a built-in closet. For added convenience, the second floor offers a dressing room. In the second bedroom, chic pendant lights hang above the rustic bedsides, adding a touch of elegance to the space.